I am Anil Kumar sharing with you some review questions on probability so that you are well prepared for your test. The question here is, an English class is asked to write an essay on any 12 possible topics. What is the probability that in a group of 8 people, at least 2 of them will choose the same topic? Now the strategy here is that we find probability that they all choose different topics, right? So that is the strategy for us. And then 1 minus this probability will, let me call this as D, will give us the solution, right? So that is the strategy which we are going to follow. Now let's try to figure it out. There are 12 topics, so what we are given here is 12 topics and 8 students. Right, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now probability of first choosing a different topic, there are 12 open topics, so it is 12 over 12, right? So all 12 topics are open, right? Now out of these 12 topics, first student has taken one topic, so we are left with 2. So that they do not duplicate it, we have one less choice, so it'll be 11 over 12. And for the next student, one less, since 2 have been picked up, 10 over 12, right? Then we have 9 over 12, 8 over 12, 7 over 12, 6 over 12, and ultimately 5 over 12. So these are all the probabilities of each student selecting a topic which is not repeated, right? So we can write that the probability for different topics is equal to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 12 to the power of 8, right? So let's calculate this value. So we have 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 equals to, and let's divide this by 12 to the power of 8. 12 to the power of 8, which is equal to 1925 divided by 41472, and in decimals it is 0.0464, right? So that is the probability. But what do we need? We need to find probability of people, at least 2 of them will choose the same topics, right? So not different. So probability for this prime will be 1 minus different, correct? So that is 1 minus 0.0464, and let's do that. So it is 1 minus the answer, and that is equals to 0.953. We could write this as 6. Okay, so the probability of students choosing the same topic is very high, so the answer is around 95.4%. You see that is very high. So that is how you could actually calculate the probability in such cases. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.